Welcome back, YouTube. We're here with my dirty Mustang and we're going to be changing the rear diff fluid. My car is equipped with the rear limited slip diff, so we're going to be using this XL3 from the dealership. It's a friction modifier for the plates. To go along with the friction modifier, we're running AMSOIL Severe Gear 7590. These are the two plugs that we're going to have to take out. This is the drain plug, this is the fill plug. We're going to remove the fill plug first, and then we'll remove the drain plug. Before you remove either of these, make sure you have your drain pan underneath the car. All you're going to need to pull the plugs out is a 3/8 ratchet, and then to get leverage, just go ahead and use a box wrench. Give yourself some leverage. Unless you got a 3/8 breaker bar, that works too. So we're going to break them loose and let this thing drain. Learn from my mistake. The fluid is going to shoot out of the damn thing. So make sure you're higher up and you're closer, towards the back of the vehicle, because it just flew out of there. So this is what 25,000 miles looks like. A lot of shavings, probably from break-in. Both of these have a magnetic tip, so they both have shavings on them. So clean this off before you reinstall the plugs. Now that it's done dripping, wipe it off, verify it's done dripping, and go ahead and screw in and tighten down the drain plug. The dealer should have gave you this. It's pretty, just a little nipple. So cut the top off, take the seal off, and then you're going to jam it in here, and you're going to squeeze as much as you can out, and then I'll show you how to get the leftovers. So I got 95% of it out, but the rest that's in there, I'm going to unscrew this cap, pour this into here, and then use this to push it into the diff. If you don't have this bag style, then you need a penis pump. You got this penis pump right here. You stick this in a normal quart, and you'll do the same operation. You'll pour the leftover of the additive in the quart, then you'll suck it out with this and squirt it into the diff. Before you throw away the first one, drain everything back into here, into the second one. Fill it until it starts to drip. Then let it finish dripping out all the excess, the overfill. And then we will put the plug in. Once it's tightened up, clean everything up, and you're done. Pretty simple job, and they charge you a lot at the shop, so just do this yourself. I'd like to thank everybody for checking out my video. Hopefully I saved you a couple bucks and you didn't have to go to the dealer. Pretty easy job. Yeah, if you liked it, hit like, subscribe for more. I got videos coming out once a week. Till next time, wrench on.